Model: 2010 Ford Transit T330 short wheelbase, AWD 2.4 TDCi rare long MOT body, silver, panel van mileage, 119713 MOT, 1 October 2024 engine, 2401 cc TDCi 140ps DURATORQ-N transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox Perfect Clutch slightly slipping will needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Very rare and sought after SWB 4-wheel drive Ford Transit features, 2 former keepers, full service history, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.